National Guard is back again. No be small thing o. You remember some days ago, Nigeria Army invaded one of their checkpoints and claimed that they have captured and scattered their camp, everything. They say that the Biafra National Guard, BNG, is back again. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Bâllistic Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. In this channel we'll bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. And if you know say you never give the channel a follow, I don't know what you dey wait. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell, because here we dey bring you update of wetin dey happen. May you dey know wetin dey go on for the countryside where we dey. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news we will get for hand today. Things are happening. They say the General Innocent Orji, which has been disappeared for a period of time after attack by Nigeria government, have come back again and Téñsìon missile. He said that the Nigeria that invaded their camp, the Nigeria terrorists invaded their camp for no reason and catch out most of their weapons, so that they are back, fully back, to show them what they never expect. So, and he also dropped a video of launching a new rocket, telling the Biafrans that they are here to stay and they are not giving up. So, and let me clarify something. This BNG is not under POB or autopilot or ESN or Biafra Liberation Army. They are individual on their own. Is on his own, doing his own thing. So in them is answering is Biafra National Guard. You remember some days ago, Nigeria police paraded their vehicle and all those things that they captured them. So we're about to show you the new video they released regarding what happened. And in that incident, he said that one of their men are missing after that attack. So say one of their men are missing, and they take away most of their sophisticated weapons and some of their new missiles they are about to test. So they are now back with a new one. So let's play you the video for you to watch and hear everything they said by themselves. Then before we come back and proceed.
Everyone, wherever you're watching from, I am in Bâllistic district, BNG province, state of Biafra. Right here at the checkpoint attacked by the occupying Nigerian army on the 18th of September 2023. After the attack, I'm right here to talk to one of the officers at the checkpoint located at Bâllistic district, BNG province, state of Biafra. Officer, good day.
Good day, sir.
Talk to Biafrans about what happened here and overall general summary of message to Biafrans all over the world.
Good day, listeners. I'm here in Bâllistic district, BNG province, state of Biafra, where Nigerian army, the terrorists, attacked on 18th September, being on Monday. They come, they scatter checkpoint, they cut away some of our materials, even our food items. They took them away. Even our vehicle, we parked at the checkpoint. They took them away. But nevertheless, the Biafra defense is unnegotiable. We want to tell the Biafrans all over the world that the Biafran army have come to stay and no more, and no two ways about it. We are telling the Biafrans all over the world they should rise up in mass to support the Biafran armies, because Biafran army have come to stay, no two ways about it, and we cannot no longer be fearing Nigerian government. This is our land, and we have no any other state than Biafra. Then we are trying to let everyone know, even the masses that are living in this province, We are calling them, nobody should have fear, because we are here to protect and not to destroy everyone, because we are the citizens of Biafra. So they should come and do their normal business as they are doing it before, because we are here to protect and to guide them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Let me show the sample. Take it. Yes, I know what I'm talking. Just want to let the world know.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, a bit smart, you know, things are really happening. You have seen them. They said they are back again to continue where they stop. But I want to use this video to talk more about what is going on in Nigeria today and what is going in the Biafra land as well. You know, in this country called Nigeria, there is a weird negotiation expired. There is a weird dialogue expired. There is a weird talk to them or settle them expired. In Southeast, it didn't exist in that area. You know, let me tell you, if these people were Boko Harams, you will see Nigeria standing up to negotiate with them, to ask them, okay, let's pay you some amount of money, you join our army. You see Nigeria looking away to discuss with them. But now it has been in Southeast. Now the mission there is go and kill them, go and capture them, go and arrest them. In Igbo others, we said this: Bodike bodike, ubochi ihe di dike eme, achụọkwa dike. So if you are one of those people who they are commanding you, or you are the one pressuring the government you are seeing there now to go and arrest ESN, to go and arrest Biafra Liberation Army, to go and arrest BNG, to go and arrest anybody who is talking about the freedom of Biafra, that means you are sick in your brain. You are sick in your brain. When you finish selling those people out to the Nigeria government, when they will come to kill you with their own terrorists, nobody will be there to protect you. You are a gunner. The way they are dialoguing, making peace, compensating Boko Haram, let them go and dialogue with Biafra's fighters, with Biafra's Liberation Army, with Biafra BNG, with ESN, and let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and meet up his demand. So if you want people to feel the part of what you are doing, show them, give them sense of belonging. This is clear. The injustice is clear. Anyhow we like justify it. I know that truth always pain, but I will always tell you people the truth. I will always tell people the truth. This life, one dies only one. It can't die two times. But the truth remains the truth. This is injustice. You are dialoguing with Boko Haram, then you are going to fight those who are talking for their freedom, those who are saying, "Wait, we don't belong here." I'm asking questions. What happened to the railway that will come to Anambra, railway that will come to Imo State, railway that will come the way you people are bidding to go to other states? What happened to the one that will come to East? What happened to seaport that will come to East? What happened to international airport? You will come, you will claim that it's international airport. Why it is not international airport? What happened to all those things? The international airport that is a flight from Ghana, it can't even land that place safe. So what happened to all those things? Then somebody from Southeast will now go and buy market from China. The market will arrive safely. But from Lagos to Anambra or to Imo State or to Abia State, the goods, the trailer will fail and the goods will be damaged. So the Southeast need to rethink how they are reasoning, because sometimes we see injustice because it is not you that doing it. Because of that reason, you want to fight against your brother. It shall not be well with all of you who are selling out your own brother in Biafra land. So guys, you have seen it. You cannot stop people with guns and bullets. They are back, and the more as they are back, they will be more dangerous than they are before. This is how we create tough soldiers. Nigeria have created more tough soldiers in Southeast, which they need only one thing. Once they get that thing, you see what is happening between Israel and Palestinian. You see what is happening on that place. Do you remember that there was a time they are killing Israel like a fly? But now, no country, forget all those countries that say they want to fight, they want to fight. If Israel meet them 24 hours, they are finished. So this is the monster you people want to create in Southeast, in Biafra land. You are creating it to Nigeria. So rethink. Whoever that are advising who should rethink of what is saying or what you are doing. My people, I beg wanna share this video and make sure say you are following and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next update.